हर हर महादेव दोस्तों। आज मैं जा रहा हूँ श्री शैलम पदयात्रा पर। पहले यहाँ से करनूल जाएंगे बाय बस एंड देन फ्रॉम करनूल टू वी विल गो टू बेरुली फॉरेस्ट चेक पॉइंट एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी विल स्टार्ट द पदयात्रा। इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ 40 किलोमीटर पदयात्रा.
This is the whole gang, around 300 people.
Now I have reached to Kurnool. After starting around 1 p.m. and this is time right now 5:30. So it took us 4.5 hours with one tea break to reach to Kurnool. Kurnool is a beautiful small city. This has multiple churches, Saint Teresa Church. There are other churches nearby, and there is one fort, Honda Ready Fort. Fort is very small. Earlier, last year also I visited that fort. Fort is not that great. It's a small kind of a 3 to 4 story fort, but that represents the historical culture of Kurnool. This is a busy Kurnool square.
At night 1 a.m. we have checked out from hotel. Now we are going to forest area. There we will start our trek. Let me show you how we have arranged the buses and how many people are. Everyone is ready. We are close to 300 people. See, buses are lined up.
Starting from Venkatapuram forest checkpoint. वेंकटापुरम फॉरेस्ट चेक पॉइंट में एंटर कर रहे हैं। यहाँ से अब अराउंड 39-40 किलोमीटर का हमारा ट्रैक है, पूरा फॉरेस्ट के थ्रू जाते हुए। ये नल्ला मल्ला फॉरेस्ट से जाएंगे हम लोग तो पूरा श्री शैलम ऊपर पहुँचेंगे।
We took a picture at the start point.
इट्स फुली डार्क नाउ और सारे लोग जा रहे हैं पूरा फॉरेस्ट में। अभी थोड़ा कोल्ड भी है।
I need some help. Watch लगा?
पूरा It's fully dark. We are inside the jungle. Time is 3:30 a.m. अब एकदम डेंस जंगल हो गया है, काफी खतरनाक लग रहा है।
कौन सा रास्ता जाना बोल दो यार, मैं भटक जाऊंगा।
Now we are passing through the village. This time there is a good light. अभी सुबह के 5 बजे हैं और हम लोग फाइनली वीरंजना स्वामी टेम्पल पहुंच गए हैं फॉरेस्ट एरिया में। ये भगवान शिव जी का टेम्पल है, बहुत ही पुराना टेम्पल है, वेरी ओल्ड टेम्पल। यहाँ पर भैरव भगवान है,
Nandiya. Soldat. Shivlingi. Let me give you a tour. यहाँ पर एक शिवलिंग है। अंधेरा है अभी भी, अराउंड 5 AM हो गए, बट अभी भी अंधेरा है। यहाँ पर पुरानी मूर्तियाँ रखी हुई हैं जो कि आई थिंक खंडित हो गई हैं, प्रॉब्ली मुगलों के द्वारा खंडित की गई होंगी। तो ये टूटे हुए शिवलिंग है, यहाँ पर खंडित किए हुए शिवलिंग नादिया। जंगल के अंदर ये एकदम डिवाइन फीलिंग है। यहाँ पर टेम्पल पूरा स्टोन आर्किटेक्चर है।
The dark forest here. Now we are entering into another phase. First milestone completed. So we have covered around 7 kilometers. This is Shivling here. All old structures inside the forest. Har Har Mahadev.
हर हर महादेव।
अब यहाँ से हम लोग अपनी यात्रा आगे प्रारंभ करेंगे।
चलो भाई सर, ये कुछ लो, स्वामी का पाँव दे देखो।
ओके,
गुड, देव डन पूजा।
हर हर महादेव।
हर हर महादेव।
यहाँ से काफ़ी स्टीप ट्रेल स्टार्ट होता है। इट्स गोइंग टू बी टफ फ्रॉम हियर।
What happened? Everything okay?
Our team people are going. Everyone are walking ahead. It's really beautiful to experience this. See in the forest. Many people are walking with their torches.
It's very steep. In the rocks, you see, that's how is the path. Full rock bay path. Big rocks. Very difficult to walk. Time is now morning 5:45 a.m. Still it's very dark, and suddenly it became very cold also inside the forest. I can see stars, though not visible in the mobile camera. Now it's very chill inside the forest. People are walking barefoot as well. Om Namah Shivaya. So many people. It's full trail in the forest. All Shiv Bhakt. Now time is 6:20 a.m. It's about to sunrise. I can see the orange in the sky. It's a beautiful morning. We are walking. Here's my friend Nigam.
Hi.
मस्त सनलाइट आ गई है बढ़िया. Full dense forest. We found a water stream inside the jungle. Clean water. That side lot of leaves, but this side it is full of clean water. Started walking again after a few clicks. Tea break in the jungle.
सही है. Good looking.
Now we will be entering into this natural cave. This is my favorite spot. Pura surrounding bamboo trees. Bamboo trees, it feels like that you are going inside bamboo trees caves. So see, it's dense forest inside, made up of full of bamboo trees. See the amazing, beautiful view of the forest. Wow, really speechless. My friends found this place and they are enjoying their breakfast. See how happy they are. Full of oxygen, forest. Now we came to the Pedda Cherbu. So this place is kind of at the center of the Padayatra. So here is a lake nearby. That's why this place is called Pedda Cherbu. In between there are a couple of water bodies we saw, which are just a small river streams or normal monsoon rain streams. But this is one big lake here. That's why it is called Pedda Cherbu. Some Bandara Vyavastha is happening here for people, those who are doing Padayatra. Free food. Pedda Cherbu से हम लोग निकल चुके हैं आगे. Pedda Cherbu is at the center. हम यहाँ तक around more than 20 kilometers walk हो गई हमारी. Our time is right now 9:30. So we did good till now. 9:30 started at 3:30 और अभी 9:30 हुआ है. अब तक हमने 20 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा कवर कर लिया है, which is good. But now it is sunny. Sun is at our heads. So and we are tired little bit. अब हमारा स्पीड थोड़ा कम होगा. जंगल में हम लोगों को पेड़ मिले हैं. And we see like people has tied their clothes on these trees. Looks like there is some custom. People leave their clothes. Probably put some things inside. Not sure what is inside. I'm not going to check. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing throughout here. Surrounding trees. Clothes are tied. अब हम लोग भीमानी कोलानू पहुंचने वाले हैं यहाँ से. बस यहाँ से हम लोग नीचे डाउन स्लोप में जाएंगे. अराउंड आई थिंक विद इन 2 किलोमीटर इट शुड कम, इवन मे बी लेस. ये यहाँ पर मानसून में पूरा रिवर स्ट्रीम बन जाती है. पूरा हिल्स का पानी आगे सी how beautiful valley it is. Finally we have reached Bhima Konalu. It's a beautiful place. Look at the rocks. There's a lot of water this year. People are enjoying in the water. Natural caves are also got created this year in the floor itself. Kids are enjoying, so we will take rest here around half an hour or 1 hour rest we'll take here. I also observed, if you guys can see, so here lot of monkeys are there in all this wall. You see here langur. मजा आ गया. We got a natural water pool. इसमें you see there are small fish are there, so we are getting a natural fish spa. Look, I got natural fish spa here. It's a water stream which is going in the valley. Lot of fish are here. As soon as I put my feet, they came and eating dead skins. Look at this amazing place, guys. Whole floor is looking like a cemented, like someone actually cemented it, but it is all rocks, and below the rock it has caved in. Water stream is coming below the rocks, and then it is flowing here, surrounding here. From here you can't see, it goes inside, then it comes outside this side, and you can see a lot of monkeys there. This is natural waterfall is getting created here. See, it's looking beautiful. Lot of fish. Now we will go uphill, so we need to reach top of this hill which you see. So we'll reach to this point, at this electric pole. There it is called Kailasha Dwara. There is one dwar is there. From there we'll go to our satrams, and we'll stay there. Then we'll go for Shri Mallikarjun Swami Darshan. Last stage of track is very difficult. It's all steps, and that too, these steps round. We will go to the top of the hill where we need to go, and we are fully tired after walking more than 30 kilometers. I think we have crossed somewhere close to 34-35 kilometers. I will check exactly. Okay, now we are going uphill. It's too steep. We are fully tired. Somehow we are walking. Forest officials are pulling up water from the natural water source. They're trying to fill tanks uphill for people to have water on the way. So they're trying to utilize this natural water source. Look at it, clean water. Finally we have reached. This is कैलाश द्वारा. यहाँ से कैलाशा द्वार से हम लोग ऑटो से फिर अपने सत्रम तक जाएंगे. And we also found some Rudraksh on the way, which is amazing. पूरा ट्रैक हम लोग फिनिश करके पूरा हिल से डाउन हिल से finally we reached the destination. This is amazing feeling. Now we surrender our journey at the feet of Lord Mallikarjun Swami, and we walked around 56,000 steps.